Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for August 1st to the 15th. This is what we're forecasting for this period. We have a trough here off the west coast of Canada. We have a ridge here over the west central states and a trough here in the east. This is a fairly deep trough for this time of year, and this is, you can see we have a northwest flow coming down to the eastern U.S. Now, the position of this ridge and this trough will feed monsoonal moisture into this region. I'll get to that. But the ridge over the south central states will gradually weaken as the ridge builds over the Rockies into western Canada next week. And then the amplitude will result in this strong trough over the eastern states. Now, the trough in the west will try to move inland, and we can see this, and let's see what map I have here. Okay, we can see it here in the European means. Trough will try to reach inland, and this can bring some lowering heights and allow for some cooling and some rainfall. Now, energy moving into the trough, we'll go back to this map, in this northwest flow, will produce strong convection and locally heavy rain for portions of the east. And this will favor below normal temperatures for the Midwest, Mid-Atlantic, and the Northeast. Now, also, we'll have monsoonal rain, and we'll take a look at that. Let's see, I have so many things open here. Okay, I don't have it here, but we'll look at it at the surface. You can see here's the monsoonal flow here. This would be feeding into the ridge would be over the south central states, and this will feed moisture into this area, resulting in rain and storms. Now, also in the east, you can see we have several systems that will be affecting the east, bringing locally heavy rainfall. So we're going to look now at the period for August 6th to the 10th. And the trend towards a flatter flow continues this period. You see the flow gradually flattens. We have this ridge suppressed over the southwest. And there's still a little bit of troughiness over the northeast. And we have our strong ridge over here over the western Atlantic. And we have this strong ridge here. They still try to merge, but it seems less likely now. As of this moment, still could change. Here's our trough moving in. And this will cause moderating temperatures for the northwest. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region here. I'm calling for anomalies 4 to 10 degrees above normal, below normal temperatures forecast here, with anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation for the Rockies into the plains. And above normal temperature, above normal precipitation, I should say, is forecast here for the southeast and lower mid-Atlantic, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Another thing I want to look at here is the western fire situation. This is the map of active fires in Hawaii. You can see it's more concentrated across the northwest. And this is the mileage burned to date. I'll keep that for a little while so you can see that. Okay, also now I want to go back to the extreme drought that's worsening across parts of the west, the southwest, Great Basin region. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to the forecast. We're going to look at the period now for August 11th to the 15th. And overall, we're expecting more of a zone of flow this period. You can see across the northern states and southern Canada. Therefore, the temperature should not be as extreme. It would be looking more like this, like the GEFS. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies to be about 48 degrees above normal, and below normal temperatures are forecast for the lower Mississippi Valley, with anomalies near 2 degrees below normal, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation for the Rockies into the plains, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for August 1st to the 15th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.